Narendra Modi and Pushkar Singh Dhami didn't just sell a dream to the people of Uttarakhand, they turned Devbhoomi into the stage for a massive PR scam. Now let's separate the headlines from the reality. In 2023, with grand announcements and endless publicity, the Uttarakhand Global Investors Summit was launched. The government claimed that 1,779 MOUs worth rupees 3,56,889 crore had been signed. Then in June 2025, another big claim followed. The government declared that projects worth over rupees 1 lakh crore from those MOUs had already hit the ground. Sounds like an economic revolution, doesn't it? But then came the RTI Act, a powerful transparency law brought in by the UPA government under Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji to make governments answer questions they would rather avoid. And what the RTI revealed completely punctured the government's investment fairy tale. Because when people heard investment, they imagined new factories, large manufacturing units, industrial parks, and thousands of jobs for Uttarakhand's youth. Instead, the list contained something very different. Existing flour mills, fertilizer shops, small clinics, local businesses that were already operating. And the reason some of them appeared in the government's investment records is almost unbelievable. Listen to this.
पर आटा चक्की वालों का नाम इस सूची में इसलिए आया क्योंकि उन्होंने बिजली कनेक्शन के लिए सिंगल विंडो सिस्टम पर आवेदन किया था.
It gets even more bizarre. The list reportedly includes thousands of fertilizer shops, many of them shown under the manufacturing category.
आज पहली बार ही मैं सुन रहा हूँ. इससे पहले मैंने इसकी कोई जानकारी नहीं है.
क्या आपने ये 23, 24, 22 में लाइसेंस लिया क्या?
इससे पहले ही लाइसेंस है 2012 से.
And then there are small clinics, the kind you find in almost every market already operating long before the investors summit.
नहीं सर, इसके बारे में मुझे कोई जानकारी नहीं है कि किस तरह से जो है ये इन्वेस्टमेंट मेरे नाम पे किया गया है.
Now ask yourself a simple question. Do these really qualify as the massive investments that were showcased before the country? Because nearly rupees 100 crore of public money was reportedly spent on organizing and promoting this event. Let's hear what a former secretary to the government of India has to say.
तो ये प्रयास ऐसा लगता है कि ये बात दिखाने के लिए, इसको जस्टिफाई करने के लिए कि हमारे यहाँ पे 3 लाख करोड़ में से 1 लाख करोड़ इन्वेस्टमेंट आ गया है, ये उसका प्रयास है, ये इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं है.
And the deeper you go into the findings, the more troubling the picture becomes. The reality is that what was projected as a historic investment success story was in fact a taxpayer-funded publicity exercise for Narendra Modi.